Hey guys, and in today's video let's take a closer look at the new front LCD screen in the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So now Hero 9 has a colorful front LCD screen that offers a real-time preview, which is simply a huge improvement over the previous generations. Since I remember, all the GoPros had this monochrome display which offered only some basic information such as how long you're recording and what mode you're into. Now, with the GoPro Hero 9 Black, you have a real-time preview and a colorful screen, which is a much bigger size than what we had in the past. So what's also cool about it is that you can use two screens at the same time, so you don't have to decide whether you want to use the front LCD or the back LCD. You can use simply two. Front LCD screen is simply awesome if you want to vlog to your camera, because you simply see what's going on in front of it. Perhaps maybe the top of your head is cut off, or maybe you want to take a better selfie. It's simply awesome and useful. So the front LCD screen has 4 options and you can customize it to your liking. Now let me quickly show you how it looks like. Now let's stop here for a moment and let's talk about all these 4 options in details. So the full screen uses the whole space that's available on our LCD screen. Thus, it's very good for taking selfie photos or vlogging to your camera. However, I don't like it for one simple reason. Mainly, it's really zoomed in. And because of it, you cannot frame your shot the way you would like to. It gives you a false representation of what's really being recorded. So it's cool that it's using the entire space that's available for you. However, I completely don't get it why it has to be so much magnified. I feel like it's a little bit misleading because what you see in the preview, it's not exactly the true representation of what you're gonna get and the end result of your video or your photo. That's why it's not my favorite one. However, the actual screen option is my favorite because what you see in the preview is exactly what you're gonna get after you finish your recording or you take a photo. So it's good for framing your shot, making a proper composition. Also, you still have access to some basic informations about your battery, SD card and mode that you're recording in it. And the status only is good for advanced users of GoPro because it provides some basic information such as how much battery you still have, how much space there is on your SD card, or for how long you're recording your video. And on top of that, you can save your battery a little bit because you're not using that colorful LCD screen. And finally, there is this off option. It doesn't provide any information, so this way you can save some battery if you are in a pinch, or maybe if you are using your camera in a position, for example, like on a helmet or maybe on a chesty mount, you don't necessarily need that LCD screen, so you can save the battery and you don't use it anyway. So how about having a lag when you use the front LCD screen? I'll be honest completely with you guys, when I only use preview, the lag doesn't appear there. However, as soon as you hit that shutter button and you, for example, start to record in 5K 30, maybe 1080p, 240 frames per second, you may experience a significant lag when you're recording, but you have to record the video. In the preview, it's not there, but as soon as you hit that shutter button, you will experience quite a bit of lag. Last but not least, you can customize your LCD even further if you go to Preferences and from here go to Displays. And for example, if you're going to vlog to your camera, you're not gonna need that back LCD screen. So you can set it, for example, to have the front LCD screen never turn off and have the back LCD screen turn off after 1 minute. Or if you want to have both LCD screens behave in the same way, you can simply match rear screen. So it's quite convenient that you can customize it this way. Alright guys, so what do you think about the LCD screen? I think it's awesome to have it because, as I said, that monochrome LCD that's been always there with GoPros, it's been just outdated, and ever since DJI released their Osmo Action, I think like GoPro simply had to do it and come up with their own front LCD screen. So I think that it's awesome feature to have because you can simply take better selfies, frame your shot and see what the camera is seeing, so you don't have to use the GoPro application on your phone that much as in the past. Alright guys, for today that's it. I hope you liked this one, and as always guys, if you have an idea, some other how-tos on other tutorial, then please don't hesitate, leave a comment under this video and I will see what I can do about it. If you like this content, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.